Hi everyone, it's Christy Barnard with the Shannon sales team at Southside Realtors. We're here today at 209 Cecil Way in McDonough, Georgia. We're going to do a virtual open house. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It sits on a beautiful wooded lot, has a private fenced-in backyard. The asking price is $275,000. If you guys would, in the comments below, if you could give us your feedback, we'd greatly appreciate it. You're also going to be entered in a drawing for a gift card that we'll do later. This home has a beautiful front yard, very well maintained. We're gonna go in and tour this property just to give you guys a little bit more information. This home, when you walk in, has a stunning 2-story foyer, hardwood floors, a formal dining room with judges panels. The open floor plan and custom kitchen make this for a great entertaining space. So as you can see, we're gonna come in. I love the front door. I don't know what it is, black doors are just awesome. So you walk in, beautiful 2-story foyer. Come here to your formal dining area. Beautiful trim all around. Come this way. This is the entrance in to the living room. You come here. This is your half bath. The master is on the main. It's a beautiful master, nice size room. Fit a king size bed, dressers easily. We're gonna walk into the master bath. As you can see, it has a double vanity. Has a nice garden soaking tub. Great for when you want to relax, unwind, give the kids a bath, really cute. Has a separate shower. Also has a separate, what I call the throne room. Huge walk-in closet. Fit all of your stuff. We're gonna go back out. As you can see, the double vanity again. We're gonna go on back out. This home is very laid out. It's an open floor plan, like I said. This is your living room, has a fireplace. It is wood burning. Beautiful flooring. Large vaulted ceilings, as you can see. Just take a walk. Nice size breakfast area here in your kitchen. You see, this is a large table that will seat 8, so you have plenty of room. Beautiful granite countertops, beautiful gray cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This house has upgrades galore. I love the sink. You can sit here and watch TV, as you can see, while you're just rinsing stuff off, watch the kids. This leads out to the garage. Good size laundry room. As you can see, you can fit full size stand-up washer and dryer in here. Nice shelf for storage. So we're gonna turn back around. We are going to go upstairs now. Guys, you have to see this house to believe it. This layout, you don't feel like you're cluttered on top of anyone. It's just open and airy. The colors are great. You have beautiful gray walls with white accents for the trim. So we're gonna go up to the second floor. As you can see, you go into the guest bathroom, shower, sink. Gonna go into the bonus room first. This is a nice sized bonus room. Could use it as a playroom. You could actually turn it into a theater room if you would like. Playroom looks like what it's being used for the kids to play with. We're gonna let you see how long this is. This is a great space. We'll go on to the other rooms now. Here is guest room number 1. Nice size rooms, light and airy. Gets a lot of natural light in here with the windows and the colors that they've chose to paint, which is great. We're going to go into the other guest room. Again, nice size room. Cute little accent wall, love that. That is so cute. Nice size closet. Again, this home sits in the Sandy Ridge subdivision. It is in your Ola School District, and this home does qualify for USDA eligibility, which is great for anyone looking to go that route in financing. So now we're going to go out into the backyard. And again, we're just going to take one more look at this beautiful living room, just so you guys can see the stairs, kitchen one more time. Again, great breakfast area. And of course, the kitchen leads to the formal dining room. And you can just see how large that is. And you also have this cute little accent over here that I totally skipped over. This is great for when you come home, the kids come home. You can put their backpacks here, their jackets. It's a cute little accent. I really love this idea. I think this is just so cute. So now let's go to the backyard. If you guys want privacy, this is it. You want to feel like you're nestled at home in the woods, this is a great place to be. So you go out on your back patio, and we are gonna have a little visitor. We have a little puppy visiting us today. He's not cute. So you do, oh, I'm sorry about that, my hand went in the photo. So you have an above ground pool, great backyard, fenced in. It does have fence in the back. If you want to finish putting a privacy fence in, you can. Personally, I like the woods. I think it doesn't take away from the great scenery. So you have a cute playground. We're just gonna walk around here. I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see the beautiful pool. Try to get up on a higher level so you guys can just see. This pool is huge. As you can see, it sits off the house. Be great if you wanted, you could put a deck around this pool to make it come off the house, make it a true entertaining deck. We're just gonna walk the whole yard. Like I said, you do have a patio area. That could always be extended out if you wanted, but I think it's great. It's shaded this morning. So as you can see, it's huge. Okay guys, that is it for our virtual tour. We hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you could just leave your comments below, your feedback really, what you loved about the house, anything you felt like that needs to be done, we'd greatly appreciate it. And you're gonna be entered in a drawing for a gift card, and we will announce the winner shortly. Have a great one.